Hi everyone, welcome to CartooningForKidz. My name is Mark and today we're going to draw this fish over here. Let's get ready and start to make some art. Alright, let's start sketching. Now we want to sketch out is a circle, and it's pretty hard to make a circle in one go, so we're going to use curved lines. Just make light curved lines that slowly form a circle. Just make a movement with your entire arm so it creates the same kind of rotation. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to do a bit of cleanup so it becomes a little more of a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle though. Alright, we're going to start on the eye. I'm going to just slowly and softly make a little small circle like so. Draw the next eye. It's going to be a little bit less round because it's on the other side of the fish. Alright, let's start drawing the pupils. Alright, I'm going to do another one. Now, then you got your eyes. Next thing we're going to do is make the lips. For this fish we're going to make like a little puffy lips. Alright, and the lower one, the curved line, and right there in the center you're going to make your mouth. Alright. Now we're going to make like a puffy cheek. It's round curved lines. Make sure it's just a sketch, so don't worry if you draw over the lines, because we're going to clean it up later when we're going to start coloring, and you'll see. Now on the other side is the cheek, it's behind the lips. Alright, so anytime you feel like to turn the paper, to have your best hand rotation, just do it. It's alright. I'm going to draw the back side. Now, what we want to do next, make a little bit of a curved space, like so. Alright, now follow along to the cheek. Alright, we're going to start out with the fin. Start a long curved line, going into a round shape, and a half circle again. Alright. Let's make two small little fins, just for extra detail. Now, we're going to start off with the tail. Just draw a smooth, long line, curve it a bit to a round oval shape, and the lower one should be a bit smaller. Alright. Next thing, look at the cheek. We're going to draw the fin a little bit behind the cheek, like so. Next thing, we're going to connect the bottom. So I'm going to shift the book a little bit and plan my line. Alright, here it goes. Make it a bit thicker. Yeah, that's it. Next up is the other fin on the other side. Right, now you got your basic sketch of your fish. What we want to do is just erase a little bit of the thin lines. Yeah. So. Alright, now we're going to make certain lines that are a bit thin. We're going to make them a bit thicker. It's going to be a bit more dark. Alright. Now we're going to erase the lines a little bit, just lightly, because if you start coloring on charcoal pencil, it will just smudge and stuff. So now we have a clear fish. But don't erase too much, because you still want to see where you have to draw the basic color. I'm using two colors, like a bit violet and darker violet. But you can choose any color that you like, as long as it's like a light color, darker color. So for example, if you have green, just choose a darker green for the shadows. Now what we want to do, we're going to start off with filling out the shapes that have lines around them. Meaning, if you look at the lips, it's a closed shape. And what you don't want to have is that if you color something and you leave it to dry a bit, then it will show up these lines from the dried up ink. So make sure that when you're coloring, you just smoothly keep the ink wet and just start coloring the rest. Alright, just fill out the whole basic shape. Okay, now you've got your basic foundation. Now I'm going to grab a darker marker. Just going to draw out the fins. The fins are a little bit darker than the rest of the body of the fish. You can also use the same color for the shadow of the top lip, so you can really see the lip popping out. And don't worry if you just go outside the lines a little bit, because we're going to clean it up later when we're going to do our line art. Okay, so follow out, do all the fins. Alright, now what you want to do, usually you would grab a darker color, and in most cases when you use a marker and you go over the same color again, it turns a bit darker. Alright, I'm going to draw the shadow from its belly, because you want to emphasize a bit how round the cheek is, okay? Alright, let's go. I'm going to make a bit curved line, so you can see the cheek popping out. And the rest of the side of the fish has a little bit of shadow, because the light comes in from the top left. Alright, you got your shadows. Next thing, a little bit of the curved line on the lip. And also on the cheek. Next up, what you want to do is make a little bit of darker lines around the eye, because then it looks like the eye is a bit popping out as well. Alright, other side as well. Okay. Now you've got your basic color and shading. Next thing we're going to do, grab your black marker, make sure you have your fine liner, and you can also actually use a Sharpie if you like, but I like to use the marker. Alright, now what you do, you just want to make an outline around the entire shape of the fish, so just the outlines for now. You can see that the fin is behind the fish, so we're going to just make the outline there, so it seems like the fin is really on the other side. When you're making long lines, make sure you use the proper hand movement. If it's a short curve, you just use your wrist. If it's a long curve, you try to use your wrist and your entire lower arm. Alright. Okay, a long line, keep it steady. Now you can see that all the places where you possibly have went over the line with coloring are now cleaned up by the black line around it. Okay. Now we're going to go in a little bit of detailing. So grab your fine liner and we're going to make the pupils. Just make a little circle on the top left. Same thing on the other eye, because that's basically your reflection from the light. Now just make a line from where the pupil has its line. Okay, make sure the outline is really crisp. grab your marker or Sharpie and fill in everything except the little dot. Alright, now next thing, just make a little bit of adjustments with the fine liner, that's okay. And make the mouth. Now we're going to start out with the detailing, so make a line curve. A small curve for the lips. Now we want to have this cheek popping out, so just make a line through it up until there. Now we also want to make the eyes, so just draw out the curves of the eyes, so it gives it really this cartoony kind of eyes of it. Alright. Next thing, grab your fine liner. And if you've made a line a bit off, you can also kind of correct it. But first thing, we're going to finish off the cheek with a thinner line. So what you're actually doing is you're making the line a bit more dynamic. So placing line weights will show certain features of what you're drawing to pop out and which one not to pop out. Okay, I'm just gonna correct this eye over there. Let's clean it up a bit. Alright, we just want to have this top lip visible as well. So we're going to make a thin line. Because then the emphasis is on the lower lip of the fish. Okay. And grab your black marker again. I'm going to draw in the lines on the fins. Okay, just go ahead and make the other lines on the fish. Just make sure they're really going in a curved way, so you keep the style of the fish. So the character is round, so you want to make sure that everything is a bit round in the character, so you keep it stylized. If you're making a square character, just make sure everything is a bit blocky. Alright, now to give more detail to your fins, just gonna draw a thin line in between the thick lines you've just drawn. Like so. And there. And just finish up on the rest of the fins. Now if you struggle with this long line, just connect it in the middle. It's okay. Alright, now you've got your fish, you've made it with lining, line art, details. Whatever you like about cartoons is to make them pop out. You want to pop them out of the page. So I'm going to add a thicker line around it. If you do have a thicker marker, then just use that one. But for exercise, it's good just to draw over the same line, but it's a little bit thicker. So your hand knows certain shapes, and you can train your hand a bit to have certain curves done in a certain way. Just practice your hand movements. So I'm going to go again, make it more thick. So you notice that making those curves are now more easy. Alright. Okay, once we finished our black lining, now we're going to do a little bit of the scales. So grab your darker marker and just draw in some scales. Alright. It gives an impression that the fish has lots of scales, so that's kind of okay. So now what you want to do, you're going to grab your fine liner and just make little curved lines underneath the line you just made. Underneath every line you made, so that way the scales also actually pop out of the fish. Next thing, we're going to do highlights. Just keep it simple. What we're going to do is make a little moon shape. Alright, and then the other eye, since it's smaller, just kind of a little bit of a dotty moon. Dotty moon. Alright. Light comes from top left, so wherever the light falls on, you have to kind of imagine where it would fall onto. So just follow along my drawings and you understand lighting. Alright, so it's just reflection, 2 little reflections, and this cheek over there, a little bit of top of the fish. Alright, now the top of the fish. Sometimes it's fun to make a broken line so it really looks like it's shiny. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make your letter C in each of those scales, but make sure it's above the shaded line. Alright. So it really looks like the fish is shiny. Now you want to draw a white line for highlights next to each thick line. Remember, you can pause the video at any moment. Now a little bit of highlight on the right side of the eye. And on, let's say, where your nose would be on a fish, yeah? Alright. Now, you've done the whole fish, you've made the sketch, you colored the basic colors, shading, you made the details, the line art, and you also made scales. Now what we're gonna do, what I like about all the cartooning is you're gonna make some kind of background, just to make the fish pop out of your page. You can do any shape you like, and any background shape. I'm just doing this because I like that. Okay. Now for this I'm going to use a bit gray. A bit grayish color. Not too dark, but not too light. So you really want this fish to pop out. Just go over the lines, and once again, it's okay if you go over the lines because we're going to clean it up with the black marker. Alright, so color everything with the color that you have chosen for the background. Alright. Finish up on the bottom here. Now if you guys have any, just put the tag that it was you made this drawing, this awesome drawing. I'm just gonna put my tag, that's what I always do in my drawings. It's my initials and the last letter of my surname with some dots. Now what you're gonna do, grab your ruler and just follow along a little bit on the outside of the lines that you made. To make sure you get all those edges, to get the lines that you went over out. Okay, you guys, we finished our fish and I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you had lots of fun, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Now you guys, remember, be creative, have fun and stay awesome. Until next time, bye.